Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is Anne's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a stir-fried beef, and first of all I'm going to cut my beef into strips. And thank you guys for stopping by. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's learn new recipes each and every day. Let's engage more. Now, as you can see guys, I'm done cutting the beef into strips. Now the next thing, I'm going to marinate it, and I'm going to use a basil. I will use mixed herbs. I will use ginger powder. I have paprika. I have this barbecue sauce, but in powder form. I have these beef cubes, and then I'm gonna wind up with the cooking oil. So half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon paprika, half tablespoon of ginger powder, the barbecue powder, half spoon of mixed herbs, and a half spoon of basil. I'll also put the soy sauce, 1 spoon, 1 spoon of cooking oil, 1 beef cube. Inside they look like this. I don't know if you can see them. That's how they look. Then I'm going to mix everything all together. Then I'm gonna cover it for 30 to 40 minutes. So we have 3 types of peppers. I have yellow pepper, I have red pepper, and I have green pepper. So we are going to use all the 3 of them to make our fried beef looks so colorful. This has always been my favorite meal, I think now for the longest time, because it is very easy to make. Yeah, like we don't just cook, sometimes we go an extra mile. We make it's good to try things that you've never tried. So I'm done with the peppers. Here are my peppers. I have garlic, set aside. So I'm also going to use celery. So in my list I have the following. This is celery sticks, or stalks, celery stalks. I have red onion. I have my garlic here. I'm going to add ginger in later. Then I have green, red, and yellow pepper. Fry in the beef first. I like it fried first. So guys, when you come across this channel, please subscribe, share, leave a comment down there. try the recipe out. Tell me how yours came out. Let's go together, guys. Let's go together. I think in every day we're going to have very amazing and interesting recipes. Some maybe you know them, some will be new. The good thing with letting it rest for like 30 minutes after marinating, it allows the meat to absorb the spices, so that even when you cook them, you will feel the spices as you bite them. So as you can see, guys, my meat is ready, crunchy, juicy. Teriyaki, we don't cook the onions until they are golden brown. They just need to be soggy, a little bit soggy. So I'm not going to cook them for a long time. I will add my ginger. I will add my my garlic. I think I'm used to using ginger a lot. I will then come in with my celery stalk. It's optional to use the celery stalk. For me, I like it for the taste of, because it always gives a good taste to the beef. That's why I always use celery. It's my favorite spice. Add 1 cube of these beef cubes. Then I'm now going to put in my peppers. And one thing you should know is that these peppers for teriyaki, you're not supposed to cook them until they are soft. They're supposed to be crunchy. When you're trying the recipe, do not overcook them. To this, I'm going to add salt. A little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add sweet chili sauce. I hope you can see it. And I'm going to add soy sauce. I will then add my beef. And I'm going to stir everything together. The way it is juicy. I'm then going to wind up with parsley, freshly cut parsley. Wow, I love the outcome of this teriyaki beef.